Hi, this is Vadim from Online Training for Everyone, and in this video I'll show you how to install AdBlocker in Google Chrome. If the content of this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. To install AdBlocker, you first need to navigate to Google Web Store. To do this, type Google Web Store in the browser. Then you need to search for AdBlocker. To do this, type AdBlocker in the search bar. There are a lot of ad blockers here, so you need to make sure you check the name of the ad blocker and number of reviews carefully. This particular one has 290,000 K ratings, and 63 million people are using this particular one. Make sure you avoid fake or copied extensions. To install AdBlocker, click Add to Chrome. Click Add extension, and then you'll get a message, "Thank you for installing AdBlock." To control AdBlocker settings, navigate to the extensions in the upper right corner. Click on the puzzle piece and select AdBlock. On this page, if you go to Settings, you can see what you can control. If you're just starting with AdBlocker, I recommend you keep the default settings. From here, if you go to adblock-tester.com, you can see how AdBlock works. If you scroll through this page, you will see which ads have been blocked. If you want to allow ads on the trusted sites, you need to navigate to the settings for AdBlocker and select Pause on this site. As you can see, most tests fail now, and you see most of the ads. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and make sure to check out other videos on the channel, as we have a lot. Enjoy your day!